Shalom and welcome to my channel, Learn with Laina. Let's learn Hebrew. Lesson 6, Basic Question Words in Hebrew, Part 2. To say the question word how in Hebrew is ech. Ech. The question word how in Hebrew is ech. To say the question word which in Hebrew is eze. Eze. The question word which is eze. To say the question word how many or how much in Hebrew is kama. Kama. How many or how much is kama. To say the question word why formal in Hebrew is madua. Madua. Why formal is madua. Let's review. To say the question word how is ech. To say the question word which is eze. To say the question word how many or how much is kama. And to say why formal is madua. Thank you for watching and please subscribe below for more videos.